Hello guys, this is the new show. For free versus for money. For free means when we transform nails of hard workers. We never take the money for our work, but we create the craziest nail designs. In the other corner, nails that we do for money. In most cases, these are clients of our nail studio. But at this moment you see transformation of hard workers' nails. That nails were totally destroyed, and we decided to make amazing nail design for this woman. Because he loves beautiful flowers on her nails, but she has no enough money to visit nail salon. And we create amazing one-stroke nail flowers composition on her nails. We hope you will enjoy this nail design and you will vote for this woman. The beginner will get the next set of nails for free. And we proceed with the next client. This set of gel nails will be done for the half of $100. It's very good price for such long, beautiful gel nails. And now you see the nail master who is removing the gel using the large alloy steel drill bit. He is highest professional and one of the best nail masters in Russia. Because he does gel nails in minutes, very fast and very neat, especially when he applies Russian-style hardware manicure. You know guys, it's very popular in Russia to have long gel nails. And people will pay any price for such beautiful nails. And the main thing in this show is to compare two types of extensions of gel nails. From the one hand, we're showing you artistic transformations of hard workers' nails. Sometimes their nails look bulky, and it looks like trash content, but result is over than all expectations. From the other hand, these are regular nails of clients who visit nail studio to have the new set of gel nails. So you should choose what do you like more. And the winner of this show will get the next free set of gel nails. You should choose the best nail design you like and the best technique of doing gel nails, because different nail technicians use their own nails of doing gel nails. You can also take part in our show sending your videos on our channel. We will really appreciate it and give you donates. And when we come back to our work, we see that nail technician has already sculpted nails using the gel. They have cured nails in LED lamp, and he's using again the barrel gel bit for removing the length. Compare one nail to the other to make sure that the length is the same. You know, shaping gel nails it's not so easy, and beginners sometimes have bulky nails. But this nail technician is high-end professional. You can see he does gel nails so easy and quickly. A lot of women want to visit his nail salon, but he doesn't take the new clients. He only works with the same clients for 10 years. He works as a perfectionist, removing the gel from underneath of the nail plate and the natural nail. And the dirt and bacteria never gets on the skin. He applies the perfect nail design, beautiful nail design especially for this client. Transformation videos of hard worker woman had millions of views on Facebook and YouTube. But now, what style is better for you? Would hard worker woman with short and bulky nails be more beautiful than woman with long, elegant nails? We think that all women always are beautiful, and no matter other nails are short or long, and we nail masters will always help them to be more beautiful. We always make you some pleasure giving this special message and say some compliments. So guys, what's your opinion? Do you like more nails which were done for free or for half of $100? Write down your comment about it, and maybe you help someone to get the new set of gel nails for free. Have a good day!